Hi, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. How can I help you today?
I think something's wrong with my car.
Okay, no problem. What seems to be the issue?
It makes a strange noise when I start it.
What kind of noise?
Kinda like a loud rattle or clicking sound.
I see. When did you first notice it?
This morning, on my way to work.
Got it. Did any warning lights come on?
Yes, the check engine light came on.
All right, we'll check that right away.
Thank you. Is it okay to leave the car here?
Yes, of course. We'll take a quick look first.
Sounds good.
Could you hand me your car keys, please?
Sure, here you go.
Thanks. What kind of car is this?
It's a 2020 Honda Civic.
Nice car. How many miles does it have?
Around 35,000, I think.
Not too bad. Do you get it serviced regularly?
Yes, every 6 months.
Great. That really helps keep it in shape.
I try my best. I use it every day.
Makes sense. I'll just pop the hood open.
Sure.
Okay, let's see what's going on here.
Do you see anything wrong?
I think your battery connection is a bit loose.
Oh, really? Is that serious?
Not too serious, but it can cause starting issues.
I see. Can you fix it today?
Absolutely. It'll just take a few minutes.
That's great. Thank you.
No problem. There we go.
Wow, that was fast.
Yeah, it's a quick fix. Let's start the engine again.
Okay.
Sounds better already.
Yes, no more noise.
Perfect. But let me check one more thing.
Sure, go ahead.
I'll just run a diagnostic to make sure everything's fine.
Okay, is that part of the regular checkup?
Yes, it's included. It only takes a few minutes.
Awesome.
Looks like your oil level is a bit low.
Oh, should I be worried?
Not really, but you should get an oil change soon.
How soon?
I'd say within this week.
Can you do it here?
Of course, we do full oil service.
Great. How long will it take?
Around 30 minutes.
That's quick.
Yep. Would you like me to schedule it for you?
Yes, please.
Tomorrow morning, okay?
Tomorrow's perfect.
Cool. What time works best for you?
Around 10 a.m.
Got it. I'll put you on the list.
Thanks so much.
No problem. Anything else you've noticed with the car?
Sometimes the brakes squeak a little.
Okay, we can check that during your oil change.
Awesome. I really appreciate that.
You're welcome. Safety first.
Exactly.
Do you drive mostly in the city?
Yes, I live downtown, so it's a lot of stop and go traffic.
That's tough on brakes.
I know. I try to drive carefully, though.
That helps a lot.
How often should I check my brakes?
Every 6 months, or if you hear weird noises.
Got it.
Do you want me to top off your windshield fluid too?
Oh, yes, please. It ran out last week.
No problem. I'll do that for you.
Thank you so much.
All right, done.
Wow, you're super fast.
Years of practice.
I bet.
So, how long have you had this car?
About 3 years now.
Still looks new. You take good care of it.
Thank you. I try my best.
That's the way to go. Maintenance is everything.
Yeah, I've learned that the hard way.
Had any big repairs before?
Once, I had to replace the alternator.
Oh, that's a common issue.
Yeah, it cost me quite a bit.
Smiles. Cars can be expensive sometimes.
Tell me about it.
Don't worry. We'll keep this one healthy.
I really appreciate that.
Anytime, ma'am. That's what we're here for.
You're very kind.
Do you usually come here for service?
No, this is my first time, actually.
Well, welcome to our workshop then.
Thanks. Everyone seems really friendly here.
We try to be. Good service means happy customers.
I agree completely.
How did you hear about us?
My friend recommended you guys.
That's awesome. We love word-of-mouth customers.
Yeah, she said you're honest and fast.
That's what we aim for.
I can see that already.
All right, everything looks good now.
So, it's safe to drive?
Absolutely. You're good to go.
That's such a relief.
I'll just print out your report.
Okay. How much do I owe you for today?
Just the diagnostic fee, $25.
That's reasonable.
You can pay at the counter.
Great. Do you take cards?
Yes, we take all major cards.
Perfect.
Here's your invoice.
Thanks. I'll see you tomorrow for the oil change.
Sure thing. We'll be ready for you.
Awesome.
Do you want me to wash the car too while it's here?
Oh, that would be great.
We'll give it a light wash for free.
Really? That's so nice of you.
Just a little thank you for coming in.
I appreciate that a lot.
No worries. That's what good service means.
I'll definitely tell my friends about this place.
Thank you. That means a lot to us.
You deserve it.
Have a great day.
You too.
Drive safe out there.
I will. Thanks again for your help.
Anytime, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
See ya.